All right, Patreon people for 372 pages. It's Connor. I saw Mike's post calling me out about my lack of kite flying. Not a very windy day, as you can see, but I'm going to give it a shot. The kite is also not particularly evil looking. It's very brightly colored and more like a toucan than a evil death bird. Off in the distance there are the sound of a nearby school. Children are playing on the playground. They sound happy. So we'll see if getting this thing up in the air causes all sound of joy to cease from across the realm. Whoa! There we go. First try. Whoa! Oh God, rope burn. Yeah. All right, so that was the second attempt, and now we'll try to free myself from the core. This was not addressed in the book. Woo! That's, maybe it is evil. All right, the kids are still making noise, so great. Well, it seemed like it was getting interesting. I was going to stay up for a little while. It's really like taking off from a kite standpoint, but I think we better retire to our bedrooms and resume this at a later and then in the morning. So thank you for watching. Thank you, Mike.